In this lesson, you are going to become a master of personal pronouns in Spanish. The first thing that you have to know is that in Spanish, we have the same personal pronouns as in English. I,
yo,
you,
tú,
he,
él,
she,
ella,
we,
nosotros,
you,
vosotros,
they.
ellos,
About they, you should know that in Spanish, there is masculine and feminine.
ellos,
If it is masculine,
ellas,
if it is feminine. When all the group of people is masculine, you have to say, of course.
ellos,
And if all the group is feminine, you have to say.
ellas,
But what happens if there are boys and girls? In this scenario, you have to say.
ellos,
It's a bit sexist, but it is how it is. If you want to speak in a polite way, you have to use
usted,
in the third person singular or
ustedes,
in the third person plural. In the polite way, there is not masculine or feminine. In Spain, they only use
usted,
if they speak in the polite form. But in Latin America, Mexico, Argentina, and all the countries in Latin America, they always use
usted,
instead of using
él,
or
ella,
instead of using
ellos,
or
ellas,
they say.
ustedes.
In Spanish, it is not necessary to use the personal pronouns. For example, in English, we would say, I speak Spanish.
Yo hablo español.
But in Spanish, they will skip the personal pronoun, and the same sentence will be,
Hablo español.
of course, you can say the personal pronoun, but it is not usual that native speakers use it. How do we know which person we are speaking about? In Spanish, they have different endings or conjugation depending on the personal pronoun. So when you listen to the verb, you will know about who the person is speaking about. But we will learn everything about these endings or conjugation in the next lesson. If you want to learn Spanish, follow the link in the description, and you will find our complete course with more than 600 lessons, 300 exercises, more than 60 hours content, and a community where you can ask questions and our teachers will answer you and meet people learning Spanish to practice. Only $249 lifetime. If you want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will find the next free lesson.